Students, welcome to our online classes. I hope that all of you are doing good. In today's class, we will start new chapter. This is chapter 5 from Geography, Types of Farming. So, before starting this chapter, let's discuss what is the requirement of agriculture. Food is most essential requirement of human beings after air to breathe and water to drink. Food essentially comes from the plant world, and the portion of food which comes from the animal world in the form of meat and poultry is again indirectly dependent on the plant world. Marine animals also survive on the plants underwater directly or indirectly. So human beings realize that food was required to produce in large quantities to feed the increasing population. So in this chapter, the major areas are agriculture, the factors influencing the agriculture activities and types of farming. In this module, we will discuss about what is the meaning of agriculture, factors affecting the agriculture activities, and after that, types of farming. So let's start today's topic. What is agriculture? The science and art of cultivation on the soil, raising crops and rearing livestock. Agriculture is the primary and the oldest activity practiced by humankind. It provides 90% of our food and beverage requirements, the bulk of our clothing fiber, and the large amount of raw material. For raw material, we are dependent on agriculture. So, this is all about agriculture. Now, what are the factors influencing the agriculture activities? There are two true factors, natural factors and man-made factors. Natural factors includes relief, climate, soil, water, and man-made factors, machines, fertilizers, labor, market, and transport. Now, how relief is affecting the agriculture? Crops are grown on arable land. Arable land means the land which is suitable for cultivations. Plains are the most suitable for growing crops. The lowlands like river basins, floodplains, and deltas are the fertile regions. In these regions, dense population and our dense population is seen. Why? Because it provides advocate and cheap labor, and there is a ready market for farm products. So in plateaus are not suitable for growing crops, and hilly areas soil erosion is rapid. That's why the plain areas are the most suitable relief feature for the cultivation of crops. How climate is affecting? Climate exerts the greatest control over the arable land of the world. The land on which the crops is grown is known as the arable land. Regions having agriculture activities concentrated in those areas where suitable conditions are found. Suitable conditions mean adequate temperature, rainfall, hot and humid climate are quite suitable for the farming activities. Now, soil. Crops are grown in soil, so the types of crops grown in an area dependent on the types of soil found. The soil provide moisture and nutrients to the plants. Therefore, for cultivation, it is necessary to maintain the fertility of soil. Water. Availability of water is essential for the growth of plants. Plant की growth के लिए availability of water is required, and for example, areas having adequate facility of irrigation provides fruit productions as compared to those who lacks in irrigation facilities. Now, man-made factors. First is machine. Use of machine and modern equipments play a very significant role in the farming activities. Next, fertilizers. Both the chemical and biofertilizers are required to get more production in the farming sectors. Fertilizers का use करके we will get a high production in comparison to other type of farming. So use of fertilizers enhance the fertility of soil and agriculture production. Why we use fertilizer? To enhance the fertility of soil and for agriculture production. Next is labor. Labor. A number of agriculture activities required labor force, and labor is required for plucking cotton balls, tea leaves, and proper availability of labor force save crops and increase agriculture production. So for increment in agriculture production, we need a labor force. Now, market and transport. Transport facilities are required for the movement of agriculture produce from field to market. So हमने प्रोडक्शन कर लिया मशीन का यूज़ करके, फर्टिलाइजर्स का यूज़ करके, हमारे पास सुटेबल रिलीफ है, क्लाइमेट है, सॉइल है, बट अब ये जो हमारा प्रोडक्शन है इसको मार्केट तक पहुंचाएंगे तब ये पीपल तक की रीच तक होगा. सो मार्केट इज एसेंशियल टू सेल द सरप्लस प्रोडक्शन बाय द फार्मर्स. Next, types of farming. Farming is practiced in various ways in different parts of the world depending on geographical condition. So it can be divided into two parts: subsistence farming and commercial farming. So what is subsistence farming? A type of farming in which most of the produce is consumed by farmers and his family, leaving or little or nothing to be marketed. So subsistence farming वो farming होती है जिसमें हम जितना भी production होता है वो consume हो जाता है family members के through, और इसमें जो production है उसको sell नहीं किया जाता है. Next is commercial farming. What is commercial farming? Commercial agriculture that involves production of crops and animal rearing for sale in market. It includes three types of farming. So commercial farming includes three types of farming: commercial grain farming, mixed farming and plantation farming. So we have two types of farming: subsistence farming. Subsistence farming is also further divided into two parts: intensive subsistence agriculture and primitive subsistence agriculture. And commercial farming is further divided into two parts: commercial green farming, mixed farming and plantation agriculture. So this is all about today's topic. Thank you, students. Stay home.